Actually, the XML tag, if you click on user ID, double click, add help text. Some it is coming with reference XDO003, something it is coming, right? Reference XDO003, something it is coming, right? XDO004, something it is coming, right? So this is automatically coming, but actually this format of because we are using what is that? There is a option called all fields, right? So when you use the all files, automatically that will come. See, for example, if you see, if you go to the add help text, this is the syntax xdo002, something it is coming, right? The username, I think this is a 001. Actually, this is the way it is not recommended. Guys. So when I use the all fields, it is automatically came, right? So actually this tag which is coming, right? So reference colon xdo005. So this is not recommended. So in all the applications, this will not work. So for that, what you will do, I will tell you. So how you. So you have to manually generate the this output. This output means so these tags we need to manually add. So for that, I am going to create the new template. So let me check whether just a minute. So EXSP dev 34, EXSP 35 or 34. Hmm? Okay. 4. Okay. Dev 34. So yesterday, in which instance we have done this instance or different instance? Okay. So in this instance only we have done. So now what we are going to do? So this data model we have used for this report, right? So now what we will do? We are going to create the new RTF template, which we are not using this options, right? What I say. So let's say. um, So this all fields option I have used, right? So instead of that, we will create our own labels and columns, everything manually we will do. So that is the recommended approach. Hmm? So now what happened if I use the all fields automatically, this for each loop, user ID, username, creation date, end loop, everything is came automatically, right? So that is the way that is not recommended approach. Hmm? So for that, so first we will download the RTF template. Sorry, first we'll download the XML. So what we will do, we will create the RTF template manual approach. Hmm? Using all fields, which is not recommended. Okay, using all fields option in the using all fields option in MS Word, which is not recommended option, which is not recommended approach in all applications. Some applications it will work, some applications it will not work. So now in Oracle Fusion it is working, but for this RTF template you want to use any other applications. So that time may or may not work. So that is the reason. So I'm going this approach, manual approach. So how to design the RTF template with manual approach? I'm going to explain now. Okay. Let me put this all. Version. Put the data. Export. Okay. So now what we will do? Let's open this XML file. So we have to prepare like this. And also we need to take one more thing here. In the data model, we need to take one more thing. Go to data sets, diagram. So take this group name. Take this group name. Select here. Properties. This is the group name. Take the group. So group name is the G underscore one. Group name is the G underscore one. Okay. So now what we will do? We have to do like this. Go to the RTF template. Go to the BI publisher. Sample XML. Now pass the parameter here first. Pass the parameter insert. User information. Username param. Here, BI publisher field username I'm using. Okay. Now what we yesterday what we had and we have used all fields option, right? So this is not recommended approach. What we will do, we are going to do like this. How many columns are there? How many columns are there?
Three.
Guys, I will ask one thing, guys. Since you people are not responding, right, I will send the videos.
Three.
Yeah. No, let me tell you. So you people are not responding, right? So if I send the videos, you can watch anytime, right? Last batch videos are there, so you can watch anytime. That will save your time and my time also, right? Correct or not? See, why I am coming to classroom and so means that whenever you want, you can watch the videos, right? Anyway, you are not responding, right? That is the reason I'm saying. What do you say, Indira?
No, sir. Actually, this is new, na, sir. Topic. So next, what I'm thinking.
No, I'm asking basic question, right? How many columns are there in the report?
Generally 3, sir.
Generally 3.
Minimum 3, sir.
No, in our report. See, in our report, how many columns are there?
3 columns.
3 columns. Sir, means
Username, user ID, and the creation date, na, sir.
yeah, correct. So now you have to say 3, right? At least if you're interacting now, then I also will get in some interest, right? Correct or not? See, if you
Yes,
are
sir.
not, why I'm telling you, if you are not.
I mean, these classes are somewhat tricky, sir. That's why I'm getting my attention. Very tough.
No, I am not asking logic, right? To build the logic, right? So
Yes,
I am
yes.
asking how many columns are there. Means, yesterday only we discussed, right? So we added only 3 columns, right? You are telling user ID, username, and creation date.
Yeah, yes, yes. Because of a login issue just now, just a few minutes before only I joined, sir.
Okay. 3 columns are there. So what you do like this? User ID, user ID. So this is a label name, right? You can give any name, username, username, creation date. So now what we are going to do? So since this is the multiple records, right? So since this is multiple records, so what you will do? So there must be some XML tag required here, right? So just example purpose, I am copying this one, paste here. And what you will do? You change this name. Change this name. This is the
First.
change this name to for each loop. And add help text. You remove this one. Remove this one. So you need to write the syntax like this. The syntax will be like this: for each at the rate of section colon group name. So this is the syntax you need to follow. For each at the rate of section colon G-1. So this G-1 is the group name of your data model. Okay. So click on OK. Click on OK. So normally, what we have done yesterday, if you go for the all fields option, so these and all will be generate some junk data, means background, the XML which is generated, reference colon something it is generating. If you see, if you look at this one, reference colon XTO001. So this is not, this will not work all the cases, guys. So you need to follow whatever I am showing now. So the for each loop, everything, whatever it is came yesterday automatically, right? So that is not recommended approach. So whatever I am showing, that is correct approach. So for each loop means you need to write like this syntax. For each at the rate of section colon G-1. G-1 will, this is the syntax till here. This is the syntax. And
Then no
G-1
need to go for all fields, sir. For here,
yeah. So all fields, see, if you want to just for testing purpose, you can use all fields. But all fields will not work all the cases. See, our Fusion application it is working, but some applications it may not work if you go for the all fields. So that is the reason we need to go for this approach. So if you click on for each, this is the syntax you need to follow. For each at the rate of section colon G_1 is the group name. Okay. Click on OK. Click on OK. And here, what is the first column? What is the first column?
User ID.
Username, right? Okay, user ID the first column. So what you will do? Again, you can copy this one, paste here, but you need to change this one. Here you can do username. Then click on text. And this reference, remove this one. And open this XML file. Open the XML file. Open the XML file. Open the XML file. So whatever the column name is there, copy this column name. Copy this column name. Paste here like this. Click on OK. Click on OK. So like, oh sorry, this is user ID. Sorry. So this is the user ID. This is the user ID. Click on OK. First, you need to add the for each loop, then column name you need to add here.
Sir, except for each, we have any another codes, sir? Like or any more?
This is the first class. Now there are many things will come in the
Okay, sir.
coming class. Don't worry. Okay. So this is the first class. This is the first starting class. There are codes I will cover in the coming classes. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the first class, right? That is the reason for each I am covering.
Uh,
Next. Now you tell me username what I need. So what we will do? Copy same. Otherwise you can copy this one or this one. Okay, you can copy this one. Paste here. Double click. Word properties. Change username. And here what you need to do in the reference place, XML file of the column name. Paste here. Click on OK. Like this.
Sir, we
Creation
need
date. So what you will
languages, sir,
do?
to understand this.
Huh?
To understand the code, so we need to learn the XML languages, sir. Or no need,
No,
sir.
no, no need, no need. No need. Creation date. Double click here. Word properties. Here you can mention creation date. And text. So in the go to the XML creation date. Creation date. Username also you can mention the semicolon. The syntax you need to follow it properly. Word properties and text. Like this. So when you start the for each loop, it will iterate one by one, one by one record, right? So, but you need to put the end. So end loop means so it will end the loop. So it will end the loop. So further, what you will do? Same step we need to do. Copy this for each. Paste here. So you need to change the syntax here. Word properties and text. So end for each you need to put.
Means it started a record and ended the first record, sir, like that, sir.
Yeah, correct. So first record and last record.
First record for starting and to ending, then comes to second record, like that, sir.
Yes, correct.
Start the group record and end the group record.
Yeah, end the group, correct. Yeah, I'm starting group here, ending the group here. Click on OK. Click on OK. See what will happen. First will be see in the for each what I have mentioned here. Word properties and text. So G underscore one. G underscore one is what? This group. So this group have how many columns are there? 3 columns are there. So it will start first record. In the first record, how many columns are there? That column, that many, this many columns with the data will be printed. Then second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. How many records are there for that group? That many records will be printed till end the loop. So this name you can change so that you will get the clarity.
Can we set the limit for that, sir? Loop?
Huh?
Can we set the limit for the loop, sir? I mean, I want only 10 records, or I mean, if there are, can we set a loop for only 50 records or like that?
Why do you want only 50 records?
No, sir. If we want, means we can do like that also, sir.
I think we need to do it sample data level, I think.
You can do in the query now. Otherwise, in the query level, you can put where row number less than or equal to 50.
Okay.
In the query, you can put the condition. Here also we can do. So if I tell you will get confused, We'll go for the basics now, okay?
Okay.
So this P username also, what we will do? Word properties. So this is also reference column is coming, right? So this is not recommended. So what we will do? Copy this P username. P username is the parameter. References will not work. All cases. Click on like this. See, for practice purpose, you can use all fields and it will work. For the till fusion, it will work. But so some cases, so RTF template, if you are registering this RTF template to some other system, some other application, so these references keys will not work. So that is the reason. So we need to follow like this. So that is the reason I'm asking any question. You can feel free to ask me.
Sir, this navigation once again
Which navigation?
means for each channel, sir. Word properties next.
For each word properties, add element text. For each word properties, add element text. Okay, now?
Sir, here in columns between for each and we are writing something around sir, code. How can we get that code, sir? Each
This
and
one,
every- yes, sir.
This is I have worked in. That is the reason I'm telling. So I will ask one thing to you. See, when you are learning the for example, you are learning ABCDs. After A, B will come, right? So how you know that B will come after A? After A, B will come. After 1, 2 will come. After 2, 3 will come, right? So how the 3 will come? Why not it is 4?
Because
How you know that?
we learn this like that.
Huh?
We learn like that, sir.
You are learning now like that, na?
Yes.
So that was standard code, like.
That is standard. For each
Okay.
the standard.
Okay.
For each the standard.
For each and loop is always same for every reports.
No, sir.
See,
For each afterwards, section G1 is there. Na, sir. That time
G1 I already told you, na? So this you need to take.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
G underscore, for example, if you change this name, for example, you change this name to
G2.
G, otherwise something, user group.
Okay, okay, sir. Understood this.
Probably this one. Click on OK. So now in this case, properties, copy this name, go to the RTF template.
Yes, okay, okay, sir. We got it.
And save the changes. Now, if you want to verify the data coming or not, click on PDF. No, sorry, we need to save as RTF template.
This text form.
Sir, after changing the table name, we don't need to download the sample, sir.
1 minute, I will come back. Okay. User info RTF. User info RTF. Manual. Save. PDF. Data not coming.
Sir, after changing the table name, you have not loaded the new sample data, sir, I think.
Oh, okay, correct. Very good. Very good. Very good. You are following it. So then what I will do? I will not do this one. GMS one. It is not changed there. Code properties. Okay. Data.
Yes.
So you can change this also. So first time why it is not coming? Because XML file I loaded, which is starting, right? What it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, group name.
XML file I loaded as underscore G_1, right? So that is
Yes.
the reason we are not getting the data starting. So these are all syntaxes, guys. I will share you one Oracle documentation I have. So the Oracle documentation link, let me share now only. In that you will see the syntax.
Also send some requirements, sir. Like we need to practice now, sir, some different situations, like to use that whatever told in
If
class.
if I send now, you will get confused. Other people also will get
No,
confused.
sir.
Not now. I will
Basic
send
level,
last. Okay.
level this is. Okay, sir. Can you share for
Okay.
OTBS?
Okay. Sure, sure.
Yes.
See one question.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I want to see this output there, that PDF HTML option is there, na? I don't want to see the RTF level. I want to see some other way. So, is there any other way to see this output?
Where? Yeah.
That sample output. Yeah, when you click the PDF, na, so it will show the sample output. But I don't want to see this. So I just want to see some other way. Is there any other way? Is there?
Other way also there. There is in XML publisher. See the program files. Publisher desktop. Template viewer is there, but it is not working. Some cases it is not working.
Okay, template viewer.
Template viewer. So basically, it should work, but I don't know. In my system, it is not working. Maybe you try in your system.
Yeah, okay. This
And
question they are asking.
template viewer. In my system, it is not working, but you try in your system.
Yeah, okay. So
Template builder. So from here, we will run.
yeah, okay.
But this is the easiest way.
Yeah, okay.
So now you know, right, from here onwards how to upload this into cloud, or do you want to show that also?
Yes,
So
sir.
we know, right?
Yesterday you told us, sir, right? We know, sir.
Same steps. Same steps. So you try that one. Yesterday I told you, right?
Without guide me, we need to use another one. Upload that. Right?
So what we will do here, create report.
Plus
Save as sample data.
same sample data. Same.
Create report. Use report editor.
Report editor.
Click on finish. Okay. Click on. upload the RTF template. User report LYT template file. Okay, sales changes. View report like this. So I have shown 3 things, guys. So first is using guide me option. Second is using guide me option I have shown, and using report editor option. Using report editor option, we have used. Using report editor option, we have used all fields, but this is not recommended. Using report editor, manually add for each end loop, map the columns. So here one thing difficult is guys here. So this username label you can add, right? But this selection is there, na? Something it is highlighting red background if you observe or not.
Yeah, Vamshi.
Sir, observed, sir.
Yeah. For that, what you will do, you just for example purpose, you go here, like this. Go to the fields. You add just one field, it will come highlighted. Then you can reuse this to other fields like that. I used to do
Like
like that.
copy and paste.
Copy and paste, yeah. Because this highlighting will not come right by default. Got it or not? Okay, I understand you are not understanding my point. See, first we create a new Word document. What I mean to say, so username you are going to add, right? So that highlight is, it will not come right. Correct or not? See, if I copy paste this one, it will not come right highlight. See, if I click double click also, it is not opening, right? To get that one, what we will do? Go to BI publisher. Go to the field. Just add one field. The highlight that will come here. The BI publisher options here. Then you can play using this field to across all the layout, RTF layout, RTF template.
Sir, we can use that columns also, sir, like yesterday.
No. If you are doing manual approach.
Yes, sir, like manual approach, sir. Without except P username, we can take another.
Anything. See, not only P username, guys. At least one you need to have reference, na?
Yes.
Yeah,
Right,
Vamshi.
Manikanta? Okay. So this is the things I have covered, guys. So you take tomorrow, guys. I'm telling you three examples I have covered. You take these 3, you will get the clarity on Monday class. I will from Monday onwards. So this is just basic things I have covered to get understand, to get start, be a publisher report. So guide me option I have covered, using option I have covered, using report editor option manually, how to add the for each and map the columns in the RTF template. First column, to get the highlight option, I told you one trick also. What you will do, click on field, it will add one column, then you can use this column to play in the across other columns also. I will tell you another requirement. If you are okay, means you can prepare the query. You people are asking, right? Give the requirements to us. We will develop like that. So username. This is different requirement. Username. Role name. Role ID. Okay, username, user ID, username, user ID, role name, and role ID. So these are the columns we need to display. So username is the parameter. So the requirement is, guys, the end user will be passed the username as a parameter. For example, we logged as the dev38, right? Sorry, dev34. Dev34 we logged in, right? So dev34, how many? If you look at this one, dev34. Dev34. In the dev34 user, how many roles are there? Around maybe 10, 15 roles are there, no?
Yeah.
No. So the client requirement is, if I pass the dev.34, the 15 records will come. 15 records should come. For example, if you see the Mike Smith, something we have discussed, no? Mike Smith. So Mike Smith have how many roles are there? Okay, let's verify. Mike Smith have how many roles are there?
4 rows.
4 roles are there. So in the output of the report should be 4 records should come.
4 records.
4 records should come. So this is the report requirement. So you will ask the question here. So not only you, everyone will ask the question here. Already Oracle given right here. Already Oracle given right that functionality. Someone will ask in interview. So this functionality already Oracle given right. For example, if I click the user, if these roles are coming right.
Yes.
Then why do we have to develop this report? So this kind of questions in an interview they will ask.
I use the two tables, users and role tables.
Bhaskar, correct. But if I select the username, the roles are coming. User can see the report, right?
A parameter uses username and select.
Hey, everything is coming, right? Everything, whatever I set the requirement, that will be fulfilled in this screen, right?
Yeah.
Then why do we have to develop the report?
If we select a role that all the users will be generated, right?
Like it was hard coding, sir. Going again and again to check that. If get a report, we can easily, sir. That's
No.
I develop the query to use the tables and users and
That
roles.
is okay. So query and tables, everything. See,
Yeah.
ultimately, whatever I set the requirement here, same thing here also you can use, right?
But
Without
they can't
without
access,
login
sir.
into the Oracle.
Which one?
So without login into this Oracle, so they
Very
can
good.
access the report.
See, this screen is a sensitive screen, right? Other users cannot access, right?
Yeah.
See, this screen is a sensitive screen. That means if the user if the security screen have a permission to give all the users, so they may do some editing right here. Correct or not?
Yeah, role addition and everything. Then
Role addition you can do, editing you can do, reset the password you can do. So that is not recommended, right? But
the security
this is
purpose,
if this is the report cannot be edited, right?
you can only view
Only view,
the
right? Only view
details.
purpose. So someone will ask you. So that is what our students are struggling, guys. So when we say user report I have developed, user roles report I have developed, um, they are asking the question that is already given by Oracle. Why you are developing? Like that, interviewer will ask you. Our people are not telling correct answer to interviewer to convince. So this is the way you can tell to answer, guys. So user screen, which Oracle given, so that is the security screen, right? So all the end users, we will not give the access that user screen. So that is the way client is asking to develop the report. Like that, simple words you can tell. So I'm giving 1 day time, guys. You try to prepare the query. So you can search the table names. Already you know, right? Per users, we have a per users will store the user information. So role information will store into which table. So that you can try to figure it out, and you practice these three.
Okay, sir.
So that's all for today. Continue on Monday.